Part 3. Alright, so I've cooled off. It is still really hot. I'm going to go ahead and see what I can do. Let's get this cleaned up. Probably wipe up the inside there. Stuff. So, okay, Marks gets that. Yeah. Okay, pad is clean. And now I was looking at these things. You know, let's take a closer look, shall we? Let's go inside. See what's going on in here. Hey, come back here. Well, right. What are you looking at here? I'll tell you what you're looking at. You're looking at a lot of dirt and dust. And this is what's coming from the house. Alright. Now this is blowing into the house. Alright. Yeah. No, it looks like it's been chewed through and stuff. Yeah. No. Alright. Yeah, no, I can't leave it like that. No, I can't in good conscience. This is broken over here. No, I can't in good conscience leave this hooked up and put my brand new air conditioner into this. And if I have to do this, then I might as well do this. So, alright, well, I am definitely doing this. Alright, hold on, let's see where this thing goes. Besides into the darkness. There we go. We're going in. Yikes. Right. Push the other one back too. Alright, hold on a second. Hold on just a minute. Okay, I don't even know what that is. I think this just goes back to the trunk. Yeah, hold on. Okay, what I'm going to do, since I have to get in there and see what kind of connections are going on there, and then take this off, see what connections we got going on here, because I ordered 12-inch round blanks. That's the heater box there, and you can see that this comes out rectangular. This is very similar to what we had before, with the round inlet. And the other one, I'm not sure what its outlet is, but we have an adapter for that. Possibly. So I'm gonna see what And take a look at the vent work here. Ooh. Turn that off. Okay, so I think I want to get that off the back of the truck because that's the vehicle I'm going to use to go get the new vent lines, and I know that I can cool off in the truck on the way to go. So it won't take me long to disconnect that, but once I do, I know I'm going to be overly sweaty. So we're going to go ahead and just get this off, and basically I was thinking I can basically put it right here and still have room to do my stuff, and then when that's ready, then we'll just slide it off the pallet onto its pad. So I'll put the pallet right here, and I'll show you how that's done. So, you ready? On your marks, get set. Oh, you know what would be even better? A time lapse. So, on your marks, get set, time lapse. On your marks, get set. It's off. Alright. So that is a round duct in there. And then over here is also another round duct. We're gonna get a measurement on those, shall we? Man, that's hot. Okay, so hold on a second. Okay, so the intake over here is 13 inches on the outside, and the exhaust goes under the house is 12 inches. That's a 12-inch fitting, and it's meant to go inside something. So ideally, we get a hard 12-inch turn, bring it out this way, and it's about 4 feet. And then boom, and then these are 14-inch. So I need to go from a 12 to a 14. And of course I have these adapters on the other AC unit I could take off if I need to. So let's find an HVAC supply company, shall we? On your marks, get set.